Welcome to the grill, and tonight it's my mom's sweet pineapple raisin ham steak recipe. It's going to be quite tasty.
Come on in, grab a plate and hold on to your appetite. It's time for Floyd at the Grill.
Making these sweet ham steaks is a very simple recipe, only 4 ingredients involved. Of course, you have these nice tasty ham steaks that we're going to smoke on our grill. Then you also have some brown sugar, chunked pineapple, and raisins. That's all you need. Very simple recipe. So we'll start out by taking the chunked pineapple and go ahead and throwing it in there. Big chunks, big ham steaks, much bigger than I usually use, but I like a lot of ham. And this is going to be a tasty, tasty, tasty recipe. So, got 2 cans of chunked pineapple, and then we have our brown sugar. Use some scissors to cut open the bag, because we're going to use the full bag here of brown sugar. This is a 2-pound bag. We got 1 pound ham steaks, so 2 pounds of ham steaks, 2 pounds of brown sugar. Yeah, so maybe 1 3/4 pounds, 1 2/3. That we're going to mix that up around a little bit. Just cover the hams. It's going to caramelize once the heat gets to it. So that's going to work over into the juices and into the ham. And then we also have our raisins. Just regular, plain, old-fashioned raisins. Nothing overly too fancy about them. Use as many raisins as you like to stack in there and put on these hams. So we'll let this sit and marinate for a little bit, and then we get our fire started, and it'll be good to cook them. Putting the ham on. Yeah, I went ahead and used the rest of that brown sugar after I put the raisins in, put the top of that off, and you see how it's soaked in with the pineapple juices into the hams. I also took the grills out so I can have a kind of an indirect, direct cook with this, because I didn't want to use the big barrel grill, because when you still needed a little bit of heat to this, run it around about 400 degrees. So we'll let that go and put this on for a couple of hours, and then we'll see how it comes out. But meantime, close it all up. Been a little over an hour, and we've been cooking our ham here around 450 degrees. So we're going to pull this up and take a look. We are definitely done. A lot of those juices are cooking down. That is rendered out. And look at that color on the edge of that ham there. We are looking really good. So that is definitely ready to come out. It takes 2 hands to get that in the tray. So I'm gonna stop recording video so I don't dump this into the coals, because that would be very, very bad. Now, because these ham steaks were so big and that container was so big, I had to pre-cut them inside to the kitchen before they come out, but I resisted the temptation to touch them. It has such a great color on them, good dark color on the pineapples as well. See how it cooked out. It always usually does have a really great flavor with it. I always love the pineapples and raisins when my mom always cooked this. She always cooked them in the oven, never on the grill. So, but let's try them. Well, childhood memories right there. That is such a great taste and great flavor. And all the sugary sweetness in here. I don't eat it much because being a diabetic, yeah, can't have that much. But it's such a nice treat to have every now and again. And whether you're a fan of raisins, well, if you are, you'll love them. If not, You can take them, leave them. Ham is usually always also pre-cooked, so it doesn't take long to cook it anyway. It's really just infusing the flavors in there. But yeah, that's a good color and a good flavor on this ham. And the pineapples, raisins, if you like them, make a great side dish. Plus kind of a dessert as well. Don't forget your favorite beverage to go along with it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching Floyd at the Grill, a Hilltop Media production.
That's some good stuff right now.